Hi, this is Mara Vlasic, one of your instructional technology coaches. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of WeVideo and how to get started making your own videos. The first thing we're going to do is go to WeVideo.com. That will take us to the WeVideo homepage, and we're going to click Sign Up with Google. Please use your district email account to sign into WeVideo. We've purchased subscriptions for all teachers and students. If you use that district account, you get that district subscription. This takes us to the WeVideo homepage. I'm going to click this black box with the plus sign to create a new edit. This is asking me where I'd like to save this edit. I'm going to talk about projects in just a few minutes. So for now, we'll save it in the test shared project and we'll start editing. If your screen looks a little bit different than mine, you might be in the storyboard format instead of the timeline format. In order to change to the timeline format to make editing as easy as possible, we're going to click those three lines in the upper left corner, and we're going to click Switch to Timeline. If you're in storyboard, this is what your screen will look like, so we just want to switch to Timeline. One other thing about WeVideo, depending on the format of your computer and how zoomed in or out you are, you will have to use that inside or that outside scroll to scroll up and down to see the full WeVideo program. This is our home page for our new project. Down here we have our timeline. So right now in our timeline we have a place for audio, a place for video 1, and then any additional video clips that we'd like to layer. Up here are the main features of WeVideo that you're going to use. It defaults to stock media. In here you'll see all the stock media that WeVideo has provided. If you'd like to use any of this stock media, you can just click on it and drag it down into your video timeline. Next, we have My Media. This is where you can create or upload your own media. We can import media from our computer or a Google Drive. We can also record media, which includes recording our webcam, our screen, or our webcam and screen together. We can also narrate if we'd just like to do an audio recording. Next, we have text. This is where you can find different text that you'd like to add to your video, either as transitioned or layered on top of the video clips that you add. There's lots of options in these folders, so I'd encourage you to check out all the different options. If we want to edit the text, we can just double click on it, and here we can add new text, change the font, the size, and the color. After text, we have audio. This is where you can add audio to your WeVideo. These are free songs that WeVideo has included. If I wanted to add a sound effect to my WeVideo, I can open the folder. I can click on a sound effect, and I can drag it down into my audio timeline. Here we go. After audio, we have transition. Transitions are things that I can add between video clips. So if I wanted to crossfade after this video clip, I can add it and drop it into my timeline. The last thing here is backgrounds. This is if we want to add a background to a text slide. I can grab it and add it to my timeline as well. So you're building your WeVideo inside this timeline. This is where you create your final product. This is your navigation bar. You can put that anywhere on your timeline, press the space bar, and it will play what you've created so far. If I wanted to crop a clip, either a video clip or an audio clip, I can either use these side arrows to crop, or I can move my timeline bar in the middle, click the scissors, and that will cut it into two different pieces. I can then choose a piece and click delete to delete it from my video. So that's an overview of WeVideo and creating your own video. One other thing I want to talk to you about is adding a title to your video. You can click on that My Video there to rename your title. When I'm ready to finish my video, I can click Finish here. I'll get the option to get a link to the video, to the WeVideo link, or to also upload my video to YouTube. The last thing I want to talk to you about is projects. Projects is a great way to stay organized if you're planning to make multiple videos, especially sharing videos out to students or collaborating with your coworkers. If I click on Projects, This will take me to all the projects that I've started. You can think of projects as like a file folder that contains all of the videos or video clips for that specific topic. If I was creating videos for my students, I might create a project over here that says Spanish tutorials. I can add a more thorough description here. And then I have the choice to collaborate. If I had Spanish teacher colleagues that I wanted to share these clips with or work on together in editing clips and videos to send out to our students, I can click collaborative, and then I can click here and invite those members with the link. It will give me a link to this project. I can share that, and then we can work together on these videos. One thing to note is that only one person can be editing a video at a time, but we could both access the project and then within there create our own video clips and work together on those clips. If you have any questions about WeVideo, please reach out to your instructional technology coaches. We use WeVideo to create all of these tutorials, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks!